Hey, I hope you guys can see me. I'm in the middle of the screen, so hopefully you guys can see me. So I'm going to be showing you guys some basic HTML elements. And so as you can see, I have a Google Chrome browser and Notepad++ as my code editor. So I'm going to go ahead and put myself over here. And I'm going to show you guys the basic elements that every HTML file should have. So as you guys can see, I have my Google browser and then I have my Notepad++, which I already said, and we're going to go ahead and save as another file. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to HTML basics. Ignore my dogs. Shh. And we are going to name this HTML basics. I know I already had one, but I was doing like a practice video. So, and as you know, with an HTML file, as you should know, it ends with HTML, and you go ahead and find hypertext markup language, which is what HTML stands for. So I don't have to say that part. Okay, so this is going to be the very first thing you learn when it comes to front-end development. And this sets up the basic code of your application. It's used to mark and describe content such as the text files, images, blah, blah, blah. Hold on 1 second. So here we go. Here's our page right here. And I will already have the file up right here whenever it is ready. But until then, we are going to just start with the basic elements, okay? And to blah, blah, blah. By the way, if you're using a Windows computer, I highly suggest you use Google Chrome as your browser. So if you don't know how to install, just go on Google and install it on your computer. It's as simple as that. Don't think about it too hard, okay? So once that's set up, we can begin. I'm going to show you some simple elements. So every HTML page has to start off with HTML. So as you see, now every tag has a closing tag. So there's the open tag and then there's the closing tag. And everything that goes in between those tags will be your HTML file. So there's that. Go ahead and put that down some. After HTML, it is the head. And head has an opening and closing tag, just like HTML. So in the head tag goes everything that's going to be in the head of your document. So that could be the header or like the navigation system, whatever you want it to be. But we won't focus on that right now. We'll only focus on the title today, which goes right in between head. So we have the title tag. Then there's also a style element that goes here, and the style element, all that's in there is what external links you're going to use or what external files you're going to use for your document. I'm sorry, I'm outside, so. So we'll talk about style in another video, but that's that. So under the head title, what's below the head? It is, so it's a body tag. It's just like writing an essay, right? It's like writing an essay. So there's your body tag, and that goes right there. Now in the body tag, you can do certain tags, and the basic ones, which is what I'm going to share with you today, are going to be P. Can you guess what P is? P stands for paragraph. So anything in between those P's are paragraphs. We can have an H1, which is a header. H1 means it's the biggest header. You do H2, that is the header below the biggest header. H3, which is the one below the, which is the one that's smaller than the one that's smaller than the main header. You get what I'm trying to say. So H3, H4, and we'll stop right there for now. And that's pretty much all that goes into a basic HTML file. I know under the body tag, there is a header tag, so it's right here. And then that is just where you can put your header. Instead of doing the H1, but for now we can just do the H1, H2, H3, blah, blah, blah. So now I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate what all of these will do to affect your page in the browser. So I'm gonna save this. You can do that by doing Control S, or you can go to File, Save. But Control S is way easier, and that's how easy I can get it done. Ignore my dogs. Okay. So I saved it, and now we're gonna open it, and we're gonna see what it looks like. As you can see, there's nothing on the file. Okay, so let's go ahead and work in the head. So for title, if we type in HTML basics, save, you see nothing really changed. And you see it's right up there. The title is going to be right in the spot right up here. So as you can see, the title does not appear on your page. It only appears on the tab part. Okay, style, we're not going to worry about that. In this video, body, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you what a paragraph looks like on your page. So if I type in, this is a paragraph, save it. Let's refresh it and see. It's a paragraph. Let's go ahead and try a header. This is the first header. Okay, there you go. H2. This is the second header. Save. You see how easy it is to save? This is the third header. Save. And then this is the fourth header. That's what it looks like. And it can go beyond H4. It can go all the way up into H6. That is the last one it can go to. And I'll show you what those look like. Save. That's what the fifth one looks like. And finally, this is the sixth header. Save. There you go. And that's really, really tiny. I don't know why you would use that, but you never know. So let's go ahead and try H7 and see what happens. If we try H7, we type in, this is the seventh header, fresh. It goes to the regular paragraph kind of font. It goes to like the default font. Okay. And that is all that you need to know to set up your first HTML page. So congratulations. Go ahead and save the file, and I will see you guys in the next video.